Hey friends, today we're taking out a recessed LED light, and this is a different spectrum of light. And what you want to do, if you could see right here, there's a couple little clips here. So you just squeeze that together, and that releases that from, there's a little clip up there. If you can get a shot of that up inside there, up inside there, up inside, up inside. Right there, that little clip thing, okay? All right, so get one side undone, and then we're gonna change this out. So I guess it'd be easier if we just unplug this. So we're gonna unplug this. Okay, and then we can release this one by simply squeezing these two other metal parts, and that is done. All right, now we can remove this from the socket up here. Just like that. That's how you remove it. And next we're going to be putting in a new one. So, this comes with a little socket also, and we're just going to screw that in there. Make sure that's nice and snug. Thank you. All right, so first of all, we're going to just get one of these hooked in there, so that's going to hold it up there while we get us a little bit of room. So we hook that on the little parts there. And that's going to hold by itself, and then we can plug this one in. Okay, just like that. Okay, and our next two wires, we just squeeze them together. These little hook things, put them up between those, and that holds it like that, and then you can simply push it up into its little resting place. You can turn on the light and see if it works. And there you go.